How to update your smartphone and tablet apps. Follow these simple steps to keep your mobile application up to date and get better performance from the devices you use. If you want to get the most out of your smartphone or tablet, it's imperative that you keep all of your apps up to date. Generally speaking, you can do this in two ways: by manually updating them individually or by configuring your phone to proactively check for updates and install them automatically. No matter which method you prefer, keeping your application current ensures that your device is as secure and stable as possible. In this article, we shall go over how to automatically and manually update all your apps and also explain the advantage of each method along the way. How to update Android apps. If you never want to bother with updating apps on your Android device but you still want the benefits of updating them, you can set them to auto update. Turning this feature on will cause your device to check for updates. This can be a drawback with a phone because while it's checking in with the Play Store and downloading apps, it will drain your battery a bit, and on both phones and tablets you shall also be giving up the ability to decide whether or not you want an update. On the plus side, you would not have to worry about missing on essential security update. To turn on auto update, open the Google Play app and select your profile from the top right. Then select settings into network preferences, auto update apps. You shall have two choices over any network. This will update apps over Wi-Fi or by using your mobile data, and over Wi-Fi only. This will only update them when your device is connected to Wi-Fi. If you had rather check for updates on your own, open the Google Play app and select your profile from the top right. Then select Manage Apps and Device. Manage apps that have update will be labeled Update Available. Clicking on the arrow next to each app name will let you see what included in the update. You can then select Update All at the top to do them in one batch, or you can go one by one and click Update next to each app. How to update iOS apps. Just as with Android, you can set your apps to auto update on iOS devices with the same disadvantage with regard to battery life and the ability to control updates, as well as the same advantage of always being on top of app security. If you do decide you want to set a thing to happen automatically, you can go to setting into App Store and then toggle app updates on. To update apps manually, open up the App Store and then select your profile. At the top of the screen, you can select Update All to update every app that has an update to at once, or you can go one by one, tapping more on each one will show you what the update entails. Scroll the See Pending Updates and Release Notes, so tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. About Chandra Steele, my title is Senior Feature Writer, which is licensed to writer about absolutely anything. If I can connect it to technology, I can. I have been at PCMag since 2011 and have covered the surveillance state, vaccination, cards, ghost guns, voting, ISIS, or fashion, film design, gender bias, and more.